Hello, Senior Master Reed here from Premier Martial Arts Marietta in the Aquas Academy of Qigong and Internal Studies. I am here with none other than the greatest teacher, okay, of Premier Martial Arts, John Fitzpatrick.
Hey.
And I want you guys to know, tomorrow we have on Saturday, we have an outstanding event. It's our open house. We're gonna have stuff for kids, we're gonna have stuff for adults. Sensei John, why don't you tell them about the stuff for kids?
All right, so as far as the kids going, we're breaking boards, y'all. I got a whole bunch of boards that need broken. All right, they're begging to be broken. So we're having a whole board breaking party coming up Saturday morning at 10 o'clock a.m. Then after that, we got some awesome martial arts demonstrations to show you guys, and then we'll be raffling off some prizes for all our guests that are coming in the building, guests and members as well. So that's just something for you guys to keep in mind. And then for our members, we have a tricking workshop done by Mr. Andre himself, which will be happening at 2 p.m.
So with that being said, we have a lot of stuff going on. Now, for the adults, I have a Tai Chi and Qigong workshop that we're going to teach. We're going to demonstrate some internal arts training. We're going to teach you guys some stuff. It's going to be fantastic. We also have an adult self-defense class for teens and adults so we can actually give you guys some real information that you can do something with. So it's going to be a fantastic day. PMASpecialEvents.com. You can go right there and register right now. So with that being said, we're ready to rock and roll. We're out of here. Salute. Go.